How to change time zone on TradingView. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change the time zone on your TradingView app. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your TradingView on your web browser, or if you have the app. And once you've opened it up, you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do is now on your watch list right below here, on the right side of your screen, you'll find different options. You will have the screener options, calendars, the options, and then many more. So what you're going to do now is go ahead and click on the calendar option right here, and it will show you all of the dates and earnings, revenue, dividends, and everything else. So on the top right, you'll find the gear icon right here. Click on it, and then you have an option to change the time zone from here. Right now it's UTC, this one right here. So if you want to change it to anything, you can just scroll through these and then select your time zone. So let's say if I just select this to this one, now all of the recent data will be changed as well. So that's how you change the time zone on TradingView. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.